Hey girls, hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today's video is all about skincare products you should spend a lot of money on, like splurge on, and skincare products you should spend a little money on, like save on. So let's get right into it. So starting with cleansers, please save on cleansers. I'll tell you why. Basically, what cleansers does is that they help to remove all the dirt and impurities from your face, right? Yes, and what you need in a cleanser is a cleanser that has a gentle formula that will effectively cleanse your skin. There are lots and lots and lots of affordable cleansers out in the market that have gentle formulas, have good formulations that will effectively cleanse your skin. So there is no need opting for an expensive cleanser that is going to cost an arm and a leg when you can easily get an affordable one that, you're going to get the same benefits, the same effects, yeah? And another thing about cleansers is that they are rinse off products, meaning when you rinse them off, they stop, like the effect stops, except the cleanser is actually an exfoliating cleanser or has some moisturizing properties that's going to stay on your skin, like just a little of it is going to stay on your skin. But other than that, once you rinse off your cleanser, the effect stops. So this is a more reason why you should even get an affordable cleanser, so you can channel the money that you're supposed to spend in getting an expensive cleanser to getting an expensive serum. Yes, I'll advise you to spend a lot of money on serums. Splurge on it, like spend that money on serums. I'm not talking about serums that contains ingredients like hyaluronic acid, centella, niacinamide. No, because those ingredients, they are really popular these days that you can get it in almost every product. So the serums I'm talking about are serums that contains concentrated active ingredients like retinol, vitamin C, peptides, collagen, hydroquinone, and a lot of other ingredients, because this is what is going to help you target and treat that skin concern of yours, like anti-aging, fine lines and wrinkles, hyperpigmentation, melasma, eczema, a lot of really like stubborn skin concerns that needs concentrated ingredients. That's the kind of serum I'm talking about, yeah? And investing in a high quality serum will do you so much good, because it's most likely to contain concentrated, potent, concentrated active ingredient that would help to clear whatever skin concern that you have, unlike a less expensive one. It's just like comparing these two serums. Like this Dr. Rachel serum, you can't compare it to this Naturium vitamin C serum, or this CeraVe vitamin C serum, or this Timeless vitamin C serum. Like you can't compare, because these serums, they contain more potent and highly concentrated ingredients compared to this, and the benefits or the effect you're going to get from this serum might take you so long before you can get it from this serum. So you can't compare them. And also the packaging of some expensive serums are so worth it, like so worth it. Like you can see an expensive serum that comes in a airless pump bottle, which is like the ideal packaging for a vitamin C serum. But you will see a less expensive vitamin C serum coming in a dropper bottle that can easily make the vitamin C serum less potent and less effective. Please give this video a thumbs up if you're enjoying it. Also like, share and subscribe to the channel. Thank you. For sunscreens, my darlings, please splurge. Yes, please splurge, because sunscreen is non-negotiable. It is non-negotiable in your skincare routine. Sunscreen is what protects you from harmful UV rays. It is very important in your skincare routine, except you want to be looking like this. I know you don't want to be looking like that. So please splurge on your sunscreens, because most of the cheaper sunscreens out there do not contain the right or the key sunscreen filters that will help to protect you from these harmful UV rays. More like you're getting a moisturizing cream that has been packaged and marketed as a sunscreen. So it is better to get something that that yes, it contains these ingredients, and be on the safe side. Good sunscreens do not come cheap. they do not come cheap. I know it's not easy buying sunscreens every week or every 2 weeks. It's not easy. So you can get sunsticks to support you. At least those ones are really affordable and really good for your application. For moisturizers, I would say save on moisturizers, because basically what moisturizers do, they just help you to moisturize, hydrate your skin, and also help to like seal in your other products, right? And you can get all of this benefit from affordable moisturizers. And there are lots and lots and lots of affordable moisturizers out in the market that are really good, like contains key ingredients like glycerin, ceramides, fatty acids that will help to moisturize your skin and protect your skin barrier, which is very, very important, and which is what we are actually looking for in a moisturizer. So you can actually get away with using an affordable moisturizer, except you want a moisturizer that has added benefits, like moisturizers that contains ingredients like collagen, peptides and the rest, anti-aging ingredients, or moisturizers that contains sunscreens and the rest, then I will say you should actually go splurge on them. So splurge on eye creams, because the skin around your eye area is very, very delicate and it is prone to early premature aging. So you need eye creams that have been formulated with care and the best and the finest ingredients, not some cheap ass eye cream that has some poor formulations. No, you don't need that for your eye area. High quality eye creams that contains ingredients like caffeine, peptides, antioxidants that will help to treat like your dark circles, puffiness, whatever eye area problems that you have, do not come cheap. They are usually expensive, so it is best to invest in a good eye cream and you are sure that that delicate eye area of yours is getting the best and the best care. For toners, please save. I've said this before, toners are optional. You can actually get away with not using a toner. If you have the money, you can actually get one, but if you don't, you can get away with not using a toner, because basically what toners do, they help to balance your skin's pH and also remove like remaining dirt on your skin after cleansing your skin. And it depends on the toner you get. It could be an exfoliating one. It could help to brighten your skin, and do a lot of other things to your skin. But still, toners are optional. So I would say save on toners. For exfoliants, please splurge. Exfoliants I'm talking about are chemical exfoliants like your AHAs, your BHAs, your PHAs. Please splurge on them, because this contains active ingredients like active chemicals that needs to be produced in the right and the best state. You don't want to go and get a chemical exfoliant that is sold for like 1,000 naira and has been produced and formulated in the wrong state. No, you don't want to do that. You need a high quality exfoliant so you are sure you are getting the best quality and the best benefit, and something that is not going to hurt your skin. While your physical exfoliant like your scrubs, you can actually save on them, because you can actually get a good scrub for a really, really, really affordable price, like really affordable price. For your makeup removal, like your cleansing balm, your cleansing oil, your micellar water, please save on them. Please save on them. You can actually get a really good micellar water cleansing oil for a really, really low price, and it will do the job very well. In as much as I've said that you should spend your money on some certain products or you should save on some certain products, please also know that not all expensive products are actually good products, because there are still a lot of expensive products out in the market that are trash, that do not worth the prices at all. That's why you still need to make your own research. You still need to look out for reviews, maybe from your trusted skincare influencers, your favorite skincare influencers that you trust, and also look out for the company. Are they reputable companies? Are they companies that use good, clean ingredients in their products? You need to look out for all of this. And by all means, you can always tweak your routine. You can always tweak your product. If you want to splurge on all your products, baby girls, baby guys, you can do that by all means. And if you want to save on your products, by all means you can do that, but just be sure you're getting a good quality product regardless of if you're splurging or if you're saving. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I really do hope you enjoy watching it. Also, like, share and subscribe to the channel if you haven't, and also share my videos with your friends and family. I have a lot of other videos that you're definitely going to enjoy on this channel, so I'll see you in this video. Don't go away.